Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you step by step how to fix Brave logging out of all device account. So guys, this is few step you can use to solution this error. And first thing guys, go log into my account and close Brave guys and restart the computer. And when you restart the computer, the first step, and go to setting and scroll down and click on password, and the section click setting again and access more option and look for the option enabled automatically, and if the option is turned off, toggle it on guys. This is as you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Share this video guys, subscribe and like to my channel for more content. See you soon guys, keep watching.